Hey, content creators! Whether you're a seasoned editor or just starting out, video editing doesn't have to be overwhelming. In fact, with the right tool, it can be super easy. Today, I'm revealing the top 5 secret hacks on Veed.io that will take your editing skills to the next level while saving you tons of time. Ready to become a video editing pro? Let's jump in. First up, auto subtitles and transcriptions. One of the most underrated features in Veed.io is its auto subtitle generator. Adding subtitles can make your videos more engaging and accessible, but doing this manually takes forever. Here's the hack. Let Veed.io handle it for you. Upload your video, click on subtitles, and Veed will automatically generate accurate subtitles in seconds. This saves you hours and boosts your SEO and engagement, as many viewers watch videos without sound. Hack number 2, text templates for quick titles and graphics. Need to add text, titles, or social media tags to your videos? Navigate to the text section and browse through ready-made templates. Just click, customize, and you're done. It saves time creating graphics from scratch, and the professional designs instantly make your video look polished. Hack number 3 is perfect if you've ever struggled with bad audio quality. Enter Veed.io's one-click audio cleanup. Simply upload your video, go to the audio settings, and with one click, Veed.io will reduce background noise and enhance voice clarity. You don't need to be an audio engineer to have great sound, and this hack will save you from re-recording entire segments due to noise. Hack number 4 is all about repurposing your content. Did you know you can export short sections of your video as GIFs directly from Veed.io? This is an awesome way to grab attention on social media. Choose a section of your video, click Export, and select GIF as the format. Boom! You've got a shareable, looping animation. And finally, hack number 5. Instant transitions between clips. Smooth transitions can make your video look professional, but manually adding them can be tedious. Use Veed.io's Instant Transitions feature to seamlessly merge clips. When cutting between clips, go to the Transitions tab and select from dozens of pre-made transitions like fades, slides, and wipes. Drop it between your clips and you're good to go. This hack takes your editing up a notch without spending extra time, giving your videos a more polished look. And there you have it. The top 5 secret hacks on Veed.io that make video editing not just easier, but more fun. From auto subtitles to one-click audio cleanup, these tips will help you create professional quality videos in no time. Which hack are you excited to try out? Let us know in the comments below. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more awesome video editing tips. See you in the next video.